What's up, y'all? It's Day, and today I'm going to be attempting to do a wash and go on my damaged hair. I took a poll on Instagram asking what should I do next. Should I attempt to wash and go or not? And I actually didn't. I actually filmed that Trey Lux videos you guys saw with my braiding curl, but I'm feeling confident. I think that I can achieve a wash and go. As y'all can see, right, I've just gone through and pre-pooed my hair. As y'all can see, I have nice, and my hair is still wet, and I have nice coils forming in the back. It's this front section, particularly right here. Can y'all see that? Right here. That's what I am worried about. This middle section of my hair has pretty much been the problem area. Even you guys can see around the crown of my hair, I have nice coils forming, but it's just like right up in there. It's just not, it's not where it's at. So either you guys are gonna watch me pull off a miracle or play myself. We about to find out. Alright, y'all, so I went through, I washed my hair, shampooed it, and then I washed my hair, shampooed it, duh. I shampooed my hair, protein treated is what I meant to say. Then I went ahead and applied my leave-in conditioner, and I was kind of debating on what I wanted to use for my actual wash and go, and I'm gonna go ahead and use KERACARE's Curlessence moisturizing coconut water and their moisturizing curling jelly, because the last, like the best wash and go I've had before I did all this to my hair was with these two products. So just wanted to give myself like my best shot, and I just went ahead and chose these two products. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in 4 sections and we're gonna get to styling. So the back section is done. I'm not too worried about this. Y'all can see this is like clumping for me. Got some nice clumps, even where it's blonde at. But it's like when I get up in here, this where it might go left at. So yeah, I'm glad I went with the choice of using the KERACARE Curlessence curling jelly with that coconut milk. It's lightweight. I forgot what I liked about this is that it kind of foams up when you apply it, so that's why my hands are so white. Something about that gel with that coconut water, it just makes it foam up and you don't have to apply as much gel. I did use a different leave-in, hope it doesn't flake, but I don't think so. My hair doesn't feel sticky at all. It's still lightweight. I wanted to use something lightweight too because my hair is damaged still. So I wanted to use something lightweight so that it wouldn't pull the curls down because they're already stretched because they're damaged. So this is with the gel, without the gel. And this is why I was pretty hopeful. I got some nice curls coming up, even in this little area that look a little sad. It's doing a little something. So it might revert when it dry. We gonna find out. All right, so I'm 3/4 of the way done, and y'all can clearly see the difference between this and that. So this has got nice tight coils in the back. This looked like top ramen, to be quite honest. I'm gonna troll myself. It looked like noodles. But it might curl up or it might blend well. I honestly don't know. We gonna watch me either pull off this miracle or play myself. So yeah, let me go ahead and do this side. Okay, so I went through and defined my whole head. I will say that it's defined now. I got some good clumps coming on, but this is what we're gonna call a wash, let go, and let God, because it could look just like this in the morning. I could let it dry all the way and it can look just like there's no kind of reverting or nothing to give me like an actual curl like I have going on in the back part of my head. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, let it dry. It's nighttime, hopefully it's dry in the morning. At night, I get a lot of questions, what do I do? when I do my hair at night for wash and goes. I have satin pillowcases, so I just kind of try to avoid sleeping on my actual like curls and just kind of, you know, on the pillow. That's about it. Try not to sleep on the back of my head. But I have satin pillowcases, so if I do, it'll be smushed, but it won't like frizz up my whole head. So we'll see what the morning brings. Y'all, I'm shook. It curled up. I did realize that this side has more damage. Y'all can see like these little pieces hanging like right there, and then how like the blonde is like dropped, like droopier right here. Yeah, this side right here definitely has more damage than this side, but I'm really shook. It curled up. Still look like noodles, but it curled up. So I haven't fluffed it yet. I just want to show you guys before I went through and fluffed it, because once I fluff it, it's gonna get really frizzy and bushy. But I mean, like, look at that. You can see the definition from like my roots to the ends, and it really curled up. As far as like the damage, I think in just a couple months I'll be able to cut that off and I'll be good to go. But let me go through, fluff it out, and I will show you guys what the final look looks like. My shape is a little weird. Like, y'all can see like all of this extra hair right here. That's why I was saying this side is more damaged versus this is like a nice clean cut. So probably won't be doing another wash and go until I can go get my hair shaped up nicely, but I don't think it'll be too bad. I can afford to just go ahead and get like, where is that? Wait, bam. That right there just needs to go. Dang it, can I hold my hair right? I can't get right. That right there needs to go. All that needs to go on the ends. And then I'll have my nice like shape. But it was not nearly as bad as I thought. Still looks like noodles, but this ain't too bad. This ain't too bad. I cannot get the size to match up just because how limp this side is compared to that side. But this ain't too bad. My hair feels real soft. What I'm gonna end up doing is probably wear a fro hawk and just pin this up like that, because the back looks really good, the front looks fine. It's just literally, I told y'all, it's like this row of hair right here. All of that right there, it's like 2 inches of hair. That's right there is just where all the mess up is. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go ahead, put it into a fro hawk and rock that for the week. Okay, that's better. All right, so yeah, I will probably, well, not probably, I am going to wear this fro hawk for the rest of the week. If I do another wash and go style, it's gonna be something where I can just like pin my hair up and just kind of like make it blend. Like even here, it's still not quite all the way blended. But other than that, I think my hair is coming along nicely. I did this, when did I damage it real bad? Shoot, I think it was February. It's only been 2 months and I can do somewhat. Well, people wash and go be looking like this, to be real. People wash and go really be looking like this, but it's not up to my standards. So I want to go ahead and get it shaped again. And if I do another wash and go, it will be a pinup style like this. Like, this is cute. I can live with this. And this was a real good combo. My hair is real soft and still got definition. So yeah, stay tuned for more on my journey. I'm excited. My hair is coming back. Curls coming back. Super excited. Yeah. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. Let me know what other videos you guys want, as far as like hair, vlogs, whatever. Just let me know what you guys want to see. Bye.